Yeah, he's working hard, isn't he?
Yeah.
I just do that for like an hour.
Oh, yeah. Usually when we're trying to film right on cue, we just do that for an hour.
Yeah. You can see him getting buffeted by the turbulence.